Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Palau. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Palau is an island country located in the western Pacific Ocean and is driven primarily by tourism, subsistence agriculture, and fishing. Finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Palau and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a list of trustworthy brokers who accept Palauan traders. So, in this video, we will be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Palau. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online financial broker founded in 2006 and offers a wide range of market instruments to trade. Trading 212 is a global broker that is based in the United Kingdom and specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Financial Supervision Commission, Trading 212 is the UK's #1 trading and investment platform and is home to over 1 million traders. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, guaranteed stop losses, negative balance protection, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Trading 212. At number 4 on our list is Olymp Trade. Olymp Trade is a well-known online trading platform founded in 2014, which offers traders multiple different assets, including binary options. Safety measures and precautions are put first by this platform, and it is considered a financial organization that keeps the interest of its clients in mind at all times. Specializing in services and trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, indices, ETFs, and OTCs. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and their very own Olymp Trade application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Olymp Trade offers a demo account and 2 main account types. Their basic account, which provides you with various strategies, indicators, and educational materials, and a VIP account with more benefits, from personal analytics to strategies and more. Olymp Trade also provides their very own help center, which delves into a variety of helpful educational topics such as guides in platform functionality, the basics of trading, beginner tutorials, Forex guides, trading strategies, as well as a daily blog that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Olymp Trade. At number 3, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker. Was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. At number 2 is RoboForex. RoboForex Group was founded in 2009, with its headquarters located in Cyprus. With over 800,000 active traders, 12,000 market instruments, and 8 different asset types, RoboForex offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, commodities, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, R and C Trader platforms, as well as RoboForex's terminals for mobile traders, which are supported on iOS, Android, and Windows operating systems. Provided accounts are featured on Prime, ECN, RTrader, ProCent, and ProStandard accounts, with up to 36 currency pairs, a variety of tradable market instruments, lower minimum deposits, and more, with fixed spread accounts available on FixCent, FixStandard, ProCent, and ProStandard accounts. RoboForex also provides their very own educational panels, which features Forex analysis and forecasts, beginner introductions to getting started with trading, a range of video tutorials, trading tools, as well as an economic calendar if you are looking to expand your education with RoboForex. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Palau, we have XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in over 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM Ultra Low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Palau on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.